There it is.
Leave him.
What's this guy doing?
No, he was in the...
The KC-135 Stratotanker itself has a story that few Americans fully appreciate, and understanding this aircraft's role helps explain why Titan Fury 24 tattoo matters so much more than typical military exercises. First flown in 1956, making some of these aircraft literally older than the pilots flying them. The KC-135 has been the backbone of Air Mobility Command's global refueling operations for nearly 7 decades. Think about that timeline for a moment. These aircraft were designed and built during the height of the Cold War, when the primary mission was ensuring that America's Strategic Air Command bombers could stay airborne indefinitely in case of nuclear war with the Soviet Union. Fast forward to 2024, and these same basic airframes are still performing that mission, though now the threats have evolved and multiplied. The fact that the Air Force continues to rely so heavily on the KC-135, rather than having fully replaced it with newer tanker aircraft, tells us something important about both the aircraft's enduring capabilities and the challenges of military procurement and modernization. The Titan Fury 24 tattoo exercise demonstrated something that most civilian observers might not immediately grasp: the sheer complexity and precision required to execute large-scale air refueling operations. When multiple KC-135 Stratotankers taxi and take off in sequence from Fairchild Air Force Base, they're not just getting airborne and flying around randomly. Each aircraft has specific rendezvous points, altitudes, speeds, and timing windows that must be coordinated with incredible precision. The receiver aircraft, whether there be 52 bombers from nearby Barksdale Air Force Base, B-1 Lancers, B-2 Spirit stealth bombers, or the new B-21 21 Raiders are just entering service. Must locate the tanker aircraft, match their speed and altitude, and then execute a delicate aerial ballet where a rigid, refueling boom extends from the tanker and connects with a receptacle on the receiver aircraft. All of this happens while both aircraft are traveling at hundreds of miles per hour, often in less than ideal weather conditions, sometimes at night or in radio silent mode to avoid detection. Now multiply that complexity by dozens of aircraft operating simultaneously across a vast area of airspace, and you begin to understand why exercises like Titan Fury 24-2 are essential for maintaining operational readiness.
got two chances. Want it back? I'm going to take a video.